What's going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly swap out a oil filler cap. Now I'm making this really quick video because trying to find some TRD stuff, I saw a lot of people doing this incorrectly. Something so simple as swapping an oil filler cap. I don't understand why so many were doing it incorrectly. I'm going to be showing how to do it the right way. There's a couple different things that you notice here. So I got this from DC Sports. It's nothing crazy, but I couldn't find the one that I wanted. But there's a couple different things that you need to keep in mind when looking for a new oil filler cap. Number one is going to be the thread pitch. This is a video for any vehicle, but you have to make sure that you're getting the oil filler cap that matches your thread pitch. So what I mean by that is you have to make sure that the cap that you're buying aftermarket matches up with the threads of your engine. Now that sounds pretty self-explanatory, but a couple of the videos that I was watching, these guys were using too small of threads and they're screwing it on and it's not really fitting that well, and you can see it rattling on the thing. I'm like, what the fuck's going on here? But you know, I see a lot of aftermarket ones that just are universal. But yeah, so number one is going to be thread pitch. You have to make sure that when you're buying one of these, the threads match the threads on your actual fucking vehicle. The second one, that's like one of the biggest ones, is it has to have a gasket around it. I saw a bunch of videos too, showing the TRD ones that they bought from eBay that don't have the gasket, like basically the sealant. So once again, even though the thread pitch might have been correct, when they're screwing this on, it's kind of just wiggling inside of the engine because there's no seal to it. The seal is there to just keep oil into the engine so that it can't seep out. And when you don't have this seal here, well, engine or oil can just kind of collect around here and kind of just seep out. But enough talking about it. Like I said, those were just things that I was noticing, and it's just like, what the fuck is going on here? But I'm going to show you how to install this really quick. All right, so obviously step one is going to be to open up your hood, and then step two is going to be to find your actual engine filler cap, which mine is right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. So just like that, you can see that the seal that I'm talking about on the OEM one, it's to pretty much just keep oil inside because it likes to just seep around and just kind of, you can see it chilling right along here. And if you don't have that seal, it'll kind of just seep out that way. I took the old one off. I'll take my new one and I'll make sure that I don't cross thread it. That's one of the things you absolutely do not want to do, is cross thread this thing, because if you do, it's going to be a fucking bitch to take off. But just gonna go ahead and just tighten it a little bit. You don't have to crank on it, just tighten it a little bit like that, and that should be good. And that is how to kind of just successfully swap out your engine oil filler cap. Once again, very basic thing to do. But anyway, that was a very basic tutorial. If you did enjoy the video, if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.